To our COVID coverage now, and a live look here over the state capitol building. Some Republican lawmakers have announced plans to call for an end to California's state of emergency. Governor Newsom declared that state of emergency back in March of 2020 to help the state respond quickly to the pandemic. But some Republicans say it's time to end it, arguing if the state can host the Super Bowl this weekend, the emergency must be over. State Assemblyman Kevin Kiley, who is running for Congress, says he will call for that vote tomorrow. Well, COVID cases do continue to drop in the state. This graph shows infections over the past month. More than 47,000 new cases were reported Monday. A test positivity rate is now 8.8%. And hospitalizations also falling. More than 10,000 people are in the hospital with COVID statewide. That is 183 fewer patients than the day before. Pfizer working to get its COVID-fighting pill used in more people. Pill is currently authorized to treat infection in high-risk people 12 years of age and older. Pfizer is planning to study it in children ages 6 to 18 starting sometime this quarter. Pharmaceutical giant is also awaiting full approval from the FDA on this pill for the groups it is currently authorized to treat. The company expects that decision in the second half of the year. Pfizer says it is also working on a next generation pill to help treat COVID as well. Well, some of the dozen or so states with mask mandates are updating their policies as soon as today. Others are already committing to ending mask mandates for schools. Amy Kiley reports that despite warnings from the CDC, it is too soon for changes like this.
4 states plan to lift school mask mandates by the end of March: Connecticut, Delaware, New Jersey, and Oregon. The policies are under consideration in California, New York, and Rhode Island. Courts are deciding the issue in Illinois. New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy says he's gotten positive feedback about lifting the school mask mandate.
We're not declaring victory, but we are stating affirmatively that we can responsibly live with this thing. Our case count, hospitalizations, the spot positivity rate, the rate of transmission are all dropping like a rock.
But the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says nationwide numbers haven't fallen far enough. Director Rochelle Walensky says kids should still wear masks in schools, and the same goes for any indoor public setting in places with high transmission. Now more parents have decisions to make.
What we really need is good criteria whereby which local agencies can actually make those decisions, because otherwise you have individual parents trying to gauge whether or not they should listen to the CDC or whether or not they should listen to their school board, and that's a really tough decision to make.
Health officials have some decisions to make too.
If the CDC guidance that they're putting out is now not being followed by virtually anyone, that makes the CDC and our federal public health authorities have less credibility. And so I really believe that they need to be changing their guidance.
I'm Amy Kiley reporting.
Meantime, the California Public Health Department says it is working with education and community leaders to update masking requirements in schools. Health leaders say they want to make sure any changes in policy keeps kids, teachers, and staff safe. The agency says adjustments will be shared in the coming week. Here's a look at the vaccination status in the state. 73.5% of Californians are fully vaccinated, accounting for 27.7 million people. Another 3.3 million are partially vaccinated, with 13 million people having received their booster shot. The state is currently giving out, on average, 85,000 doses per day. Twin Rivers Unified School District will continue its series of COVID vaccination clinics today. It will be held at Smythe Academy of Arts and Sciences in the multipurpose room from 3:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. The next clinic will be on February 19th at Grant Union High School in the main gym. That will run from 10 a.m. until 2 p.m.